what's good? It's your boy, MW Lil Flair. Oh my god, why J MW for the fly ground? We're recording today. We're back with a new video, yes sir. I told y'all I was gonna get back on the ground, be consistent, so well, you feel me? Cause I went ghost for like a whole little month, man. I was just chilling, like I was saying, running my money, man. Today's video, as you see by the title, we got another good package, man. You see, let's get into it, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm running out of fucking breath, bro. Talking fast, bro. Now I just have to run upstairs to go get something real quick, man. But yeah, we got some heat today, though, as y'all can see by the top. And I don't got my knife with me, bro. I lost it. I don't even know what happened to it. Like, one day it just disappeared, bro. And nobody has seen it, know it happened. So I gotta get a replacement for that and all that. And meanwhile, we got the handy dandy scissors, you feel me? So yeah, let's open and get into it, you feel me? Now this one's heavily taped up, got a lot of plastic on it, so let's see what this is talking about, you feel me? Alright. Oh, that's up here. Alright. Alright, we got that off. Now it's time to open that. Oh, I just gotta fix that. Got the bubble wrapped up. And as y'all can see, this one got tossed around a little bit up in the trap right here, but that's alright, that's alright. We got the, if you can't tell by what it say right there, you feel me, Nike swoosh. Got the original, you feel me, cardboard box, you feel me? Man, it's hard. Size 12, you feel me? Got the little label up on there. Yeah, let's just open and get into it, man. Of course, as always, fire sneaker hour, you feel me? Come there clutch, you feel me? Make sure y'all check out their website. Go look and see what y'all want, man, because I'm pretty sure they got everything you could possibly want and need, you feel me? I got that link down in the description, you feel me? Make sure y'all go check that out, and as always, code Lil Flair and check out for $15 off, because why wouldn't you want to save money, bro? Let's be real with yourself. Come on now. Like what? I would do anything to save me some money, so if I was you, I'll use my code, you feel me? When you go check out, make sure you apply that, and man, you're gonna be living good, man, you feel me? Alright, let's get into it. You can see, got Nike on the inside box, got that off-white paper, the teal type of color, you feel me? Okay, let's see. These up. Here they are. Oh shit, the tag just fell out with it, man. Real quick. We got the off-white Air Presto, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, these are hard, bro. I ain't never had a pair of Prestos personally in my life, but I ain't gonna lie, the design though, they look hard. I never thought about like getting Prestos or nothing, you feel me? Because I don't know, ain't shit that really popped out to me, but these looking pretty hard, I'm not even gonna lie. Let's get the other one out, you feel me? So we have the two of them, pairs, you feel me? Got that fat tongue, then we got the, I don't know what material you call it, it's like a sponge stretchy, and that's the door opening, you feel me? But yeah, we ain't gonna mind that. But you feel me? It's hard, I ain't gonna lie. That black, then I don't know, it's like a padded tongue. There we go, padded tongue. I said fat tongue like it was an SB. The padded tongue, you feel me? I don't know, it's just different. I mess with it though. They got the air on the side, you feel me? Let's see. They, of course, they got the off-white up in the cage area, you feel me? Then they got the shoelaces up on the shoelace, of course. Got Nike on the side. Got that orange little tag, you feel me? And those off-white. These pretty hard though, I ain't gonna lie. It's different. I wouldn't think of Prestos as shoes like where to go to, but these not bad at all, man. I ain't gonna lie. Got that swoosh right there. It's like a cream color, I wanna say. You feel me? Man, these pretty hard. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of made me a fan. Who knows? I might give me a pair of Prestos. I ain't gonna lie. The way these looking. But man, shit. I don't know, man. They always blow me away when they send me these, man. Cause it's like a loss of words. Of course, they got the zip tie. You feel me? You could. I don't know where you usually put it at. Probably want to look at the picture. But, if I put a picture on the screen, yeah. But I like to put in that zip tag myself or whatever shoe. It's probably gonna be the right one, cause I don't know. I'm right-handed, you feel me? So it's just natural. Put my right for the best looking one, you feel me? So yeah, probably gonna do that. But yeah, these kind of hard. Let's do. Oh shit, got spit to my chest, man. But anyway, let's do a little try on these. See how you looking on feet. I don't know. Look hard, so let's do that. Yeah. And they ain't gonna lie, these like real comfortable. I'm not even gonna lie. On feet, they're like comfortable. I heard Prestos are known for like their comfort and stuff like that, but like these are like actually really comfy. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Again, quality, man. Seems like everything is where it's supposed to be and everything is how it's supposed to be on the Off-White Presto for pictures I see, man. So, man, it's to let y'all know, y'all should definitely go head over to firesneaker.ru, you feel me? Go check them out, see what they got, man. You feel me? And they cheaper, man, you feel me? If y'all can't afford shoes, you feel me, like that, and it's just situation, but want some shoes, man, go over there, man. You feel me? They gonna get you right. And make sure you use code Flair, man. Make sure you get that discount. Cause why wouldn't you want to use a discount, you feel me? But yeah, let's go do it for the end of this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, you feel me? Comment down below if you don't want to see me next. You feel me? Want to roll to 500 subscribers. We getting there slowly. I was using it for expression, man, damn. Whatever. Y'all know we get slow but steady. Slow and steady. There we go. That's what I was looking for. You feel me? But yeah, man, we got some more heat coming up, man. You feel me? I got something big time for y'all real soon, though. You feel me? So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. I'll see y'all next video. You feel me? Yeah.